As more UVC LED fixtures are released, there are a few questions that we have to ask. One is, do those LEDs actually produce the UVC light that will disinfect and inactivate pathogens and viruses? The other question is, how long do these last, or how long do they work? And then finally, how do we verify how we should use those fixtures, or how long we should let that LED UVC light shine on a surface to get the inactivated pathogens that we're looking for? A dosimeter is a great product to help solve for these questions. Dosimeters work by changing color over time as they're exposed to a very specific wavelength of UVC energy. Traditional 254 nanometer dosimeter doesn't work with UVC LEDs because most UVC LEDs produce light between 260 and 280 nanometers instead of that traditional 254 nanometer range. These LED dosimeter cards by Intelligo Technologies are specifically designed to respond to wavelengths of light that are produced by LED UVC light sources. The center of the card has a yellow circle, and this is the portion that changes color over time. And as this card receives a higher dose of UVC energy, you can see that it goes from orange to a bright pink color on the far end of the scale, where we reach 100 millijoules per square centimeter. Here's an example of one dosimeter card that has been exposed to LED UVC energy, and you can see that the center has changed color, and we've reached about 25 millijoules per square centimeter for this dose. These LED dosimeter cards can be used when you first purchase an LED UVC light source to make sure that you're getting the disinfection that you're looking for out of those lights. One thing to be careful of with UVC LED fixtures is that some of these fixtures don't use exclusively UVC LEDs. If they're using a portion of visible LEDs and UVC LEDs, you may not get the full power or the full dose of UVC disinfection that you're looking for. These dosimeter cards are a great way to validate that you're getting actual UVC energy out of that LED UVC product. One thing we have to remember when we're using UVC energy to disinfect a space is that there's a combination of distance from the light source, the power of the light source, and the amount of time that the light source is operating to achieve a total disinfecting dose of UVC energy. These dosimeter cards are a great way to ensure that you're running a fixture long enough to achieve the dose that you're looking for in a certain space or surface in a room. These LED dosimeter cards are a great way to measure UVC energy coming out of an LED fixture and ensure that you're following best practices and getting the disinfection dose that you're looking for.